Now we start CBSE Board Examination Standard 10 2020 Solution of Standard Paper Set number 3. Now first of all we can start section A. Question A, question number 1 to 20 carries the 1 marks of each answer. Number 1, the mean and median of distribution are 14 and 15 respectively. Then the value of mode is dash. We have to find the mode. Here answer is B, 17. Here given that mean x bar equal to 14, median m equal to 15, but we know that the formula mode z equal to 3 into median minus 2 into mean. This is the formula. By putting the value z equal to 3 into m equal to 15 is given, x bar equal to 14 is given, 15 3 is 45, 14 2 is 28, 45 minus 28, z equal to 18, means answer B. Now we start question number 2. The quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus k equal to 0 has distinct real root. रियल रूट कैसे है? तो डिस्टिंग है. तो इफ फॉर इज गिवन ऑप्शन, द आंसर इज डी, के लेस देन 4. नाउ वी स्टार्ट द सॉल्यूशन. एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 4x प्लस के इक्वल टू 0 इज द कंपेयर विद ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी इक्वल टू 0 which is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Therefore a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to k. Equation has two distinct real root. So we know that the formula b square minus 4 is a discriminant greater than 0. By putting the value minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into k greater than 0, therefore 16 minus 4k greater than 0. We change the side of 4k. 16 greater than 4k. Therefore 16 upon 4 greater than k. Therefore k less than 4. D is answer. So D, k less than 4 is answer. Now we start the question number 3. The first term of an arithmetic progression is 5. Last term is 45. Find the sum of all. If the sum of the all term is 400, then find the number of term. Option is given. The answer is D, 16 is answer. Now we start the solution. First term a equal to 5, last term an equal to 45, sum of n term equal to 400, but we know the formula Sn equal to n upon 2, a plus an, first term plus last term, but Sn equal to 400 is given, equal to n upon 2, putting the value of a equal to 5, an equal to 45, 400 into 2 cross multiplication equal to n plus n into 45 plus 5, 50. So n equal to 400 into 2 upon 50, 58 ja, 8 to ja 16, 16 is answer. Therefore number of term equal to 16. So here D is answer. Now ऑप्शन में दूसरा क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है और क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, द 9 टर्म ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन minus 15 minus 11 minus 7 is dash. Here ABCD is given. The answer C equal to 17. Now we start the solution. Minus 15 minus 11 minus 7 dash 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 is an arithmetic progression. Here first term a1 equal to a equal to minus 15. Common difference d equal to second term minus first term. Second term is minus 11 minus first term is minus 15. Minus 11 minus into minus plus. 15 minus 11 equal to 4. So this common difference d equal to 4. Now we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula of the nth term. We have to find the ninth term. A9 equal to value of a minus 15, 9 minus 1 to 8, common difference d 4, minus 15, 8 4 ja 32, 32 minus 15, so 17, therefore ninth term is 17, so C is answer. Now we start question number 4. Point P a upon 8, 4 is the midpoint of the line segment joining the point A minus 5 2 and B 4 6. Find the value of A. Here option is given. So here answer is A minus 4. Now we start the solution. So line segment AB, A minus 5 2, B 4 6, P is the midpoint, A upon 8, 4. So P A upon 8, 4 is the midpoint of AB. Now use the formula of the midpoint, x equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Here 2, A upon 8 equal to minus 5 plus 4 upon 2. A upon 8 equal to minus 5 plus 4 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. A equal to minus 8 upon 2. Minus 8 upon 2, it is the 4. Therefore A equal to 4. So option A is answer. Now we start the question number 5. The number of zeros for a polynomial of px whose ग्राफ इज गिवन इन फिगर. जो है फिगर के अंदर ग्राफ ड्रॉ किया हुआ है y इक्वल टू पी एक्स विच इज गिवन. तो आंसर इज बी. 3 answer. So now start the solution. The graph y equal to px intersect x axis in 3 points, number 1, number 2 and number 3. Therefore number of 0 equal to 3, means B option is right. Now we start the question number 6. It is being given that the point A 1 2, B 0 0, C A B are the collinear point. Which of the following relationship between A and B is true? So which relation is true we have to find. Here option is given. So answer is B. 2A equal to B. Now we start the solution. A 1 2, point B 0 0, point C A B are collinear point. Here it is given that they are collinear. Therefore area of triangle equal to 0. Now area of triangle ABC equal to 1 upon 2 x1 in bracket y2 minus y3. यहाँ x1 लिया तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर y2 माइनस y3 प्लस x2 y3 माइनस y1 प्लस x3 y1 माइनस y2. एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू मतलब पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. एरिया ऑफ ABC is 0 because points are collinear. 1 upon 2 mod of 1 in bracket 0 minus b plus 0 b minus 2 a 2 minus 0. Here x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Putting the value we get 0 equal to 1 upon 2. 2 into 0, so 0 into 2 into 1 into minus b, 0 into something 0, a into 2, 2a. Therefore 0 equal to mod of 2a minus b. Therefore 2a minus b equal to 0. Therefore 2a equal to b, means option B is answer. Which is the answer? Option B is answer. Now we start question number 7. The value of theta for which sine 45 degree plus theta equal to cos 30. Then the theta equal to that. We have to find the value. The answer is C 16. Now we start the solution. Sine in bracket 44 degree plus theta equal to cos 60, which is given. Sine 44 plus theta equal to sine 90 minus theta. We know that cos theta equal to sine 90 minus theta. Therefore 44 plus theta equal to 90 minus 30, 60. Therefore theta equal to 60 degree minus 44 degree, theta equal to 16 degree answer. So answer is C. Now we start the question number 8. The pair of linear equation y equal to 0 and y equal to minus 6 has a dash solution, unique solution, no solution, infinite many solution, only one solution, 0 0. तो आंसर इज बी, नो सॉल्यूशन, बिकॉज देखो इसे डायग्राम में मैंने ड्रॉ करके समझाया हुआ है कि पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन y इक्वल टू 0 एंड y इक्वल टू माइनस 6. यह डायग्राम x एक्सिस तो y इक्वल टू 0 है, जो x एक्सिस है ये y इक्वल टू 0 बोलते हैं, y इक्वल टू माइनस 6 दिस लाइन है. तो बोथ लाइन आर पैरेलल. As per figure y equal to 0 as per figure y equal to 0 may be any x axis means x axis and y equal to minus 6 is line parallel to x axis. Therefore graph of both line are parallel line. Therefore equation has no solution. So option is B answer. Now we start question number 9. A bag contains 3 red ball, 5 black ball and 7 white ball. We have to find what is the probability that it is a red ball, it is a not red. So find what is the probability that ball is not a not black. So option is given. Now answer is D, 2/3. Now we start the solution. A bag contain 3 red balls, 5 black ball, 7 white ball. Now total कर ले हम, तो total number ball equal to 15 balls. Now let the event A. The ball drawn is not black, that is red and white ball. So P of A equal to numbers of red ball plus number of white ball upon total ball. P of A equal to 3 plus 7 upon 15, 10 upon 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2/3. Therefore P of A equal to 2/3. So answer is D. Now we start the question number 10. In figure, PT and TQ are the two tangents. PT and PQ are two tangents. If angle POQ equal to 115, we have to find the angle PTA, PTQ. ये एंगल फाइंड करने का है. तो T आंसर D is 65. T is exterior point of the circle with center O. T बाहर का पॉइंट है. T में से 2 टेंजेंट ड्रॉ कर दिया, PT and PQ. 2 tangents are drawn from the T, PT and second tangent TQ. T is exterior point of the circle with center O. PT and TQ are tangents. OP perpendicular PT, OQ perpendicular TQ. With the help of the theorem number 10.1, therefore angle P equal to angle Q equal to 90. Theorem 10.1 के दिया हुआ है कि tangent is always perpendicular to radius. Now in quadrilateral POQT, angle P equal to angle Q equal to 90. Therefore POQ plus angle PTQ equal to 180, 115 degree plus angle PTQ equal to 180. Therefore angle PTQ equal to 180. 115 को साइड चेंज कर ली, 180 minus 115. Therefore angle PTQ equal to 65. Now we start question number 11. 11 का fill in the blank. Question 11 to 15. The distance between the point AB, A comma B and minus A comma minus B is dash. Now start the solution. Let AB equal to x1 y1, B equal to minus A minus B x2 y2. Distance formula AB equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square. y1 minus y2 whole square. This is the distance formula. By putting the value x1 equal to a, x2 equal to minus a whole square, y1 equal to b, y2 equal to minus b, the whole square, square root of minus into minus plus a the whole square plus b the whole square, a 2a the whole square plus b 2b the whole square. Therefore ab equal to square root of 4a square plus 4b square. Therefore a distance of ab equal to square root of 4 is common, a square plus b square. Therefore ab equal to 2 in bracket square root of a square plus b square. This is the answer. Now we start the question number 12. A spherical metallic ball of radius 8 cm is melted and small spherical ball is made. So find the radius of new ball. Now we start the solution. Radius of metallic sphere equal to 8 cm. Number of small ball equal to 8. We know the formula. Number of small ball equal to volume of a spherical ball upon volume of the small ball. 8 is given. 4 upon 3 pi r1 square upon pi r2 square. 4 upon 3 volume of sphere equal to 4 upon 3 pi r1 cube upon 4 upon 3 pi r2 cube. Pi cancel. 4 upon 3 cancel. So r1 upon r2 whole cube. 8 equal to, but r2 equal to 8 is given. 8 cube upon r2 we have to find r2 cube. Therefore r2 cube equal to 8 cube upon 8. 8 into 8 into 8 upon 8, 64. r2 cube equal to 64. 64 means 4 cube. 4 multiply 4. दोनों साइड क्यूब रूट ले लिया तो r2 इक्वल टू कितना मिला 4 मिला. तो वी गेट द r2 इक्वल टू 4. देयरफॉर रेडियस ऑफ ईच न्यू बॉल इक्वल टू 4 centimeter. Now we start question number 13. 2 plus square root of 5 upon 3 is dash number. तो 2 रेशनल नंबर है, ए इरेशनल नंबर है, रेशनल नंबर है, रेशनल प्लस इरेशनल, number irrational number is answer. Now we start the question number 14. Triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF, their area of respectively 81 and 144 centimeter square. If EF equal to 24, find the length of side BC. Now we know the first. Now we start the solution. Triangle ABC, similar triangle DEF, which is given due to the formula ABC upon DEF equal to BC square upon EF square. This is the theorem. 81 upon 144, ABC 81 is given, DEF is 144 is given, equal to BC square upon 24 square. Therefore BC square equal to 24 square into 81 upon 144. BC square equal to 24 square, 81 equal to 9 square upon 144 equal to 12 square. Taking square root both sides, BC equal to 22 into 9 upon 12. 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja, BC equal to 9 into 8, so 18. So BC equal to 2 multiply 9 equal to 18. Therefore length of BC equal to 18 centimeter. Now we start question number 15. If tan A equal to 1, then 2 sin A cos A equal to dash. Now we start the solution. Tan A equal to 1, but we know the formula value of the tan 45 equal to 1. Therefore tan A equal to tan 45. Therefore A equal to 45 degree. We have to find the 2 sin A cos A. We put the value of A at 45 degree. So 2 sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree. But value of cos 45 and sin 45 equal to 1 upon root 2. 2 into 1 upon root 2. 1 upon root 2, 1 root 2 root 2, 2 upon 2 equal to 1. Therefore 2 sin A cos A equal to 1. Here we compare the section A of 2020 paper set number 3. Remain 5 questions. We solve next.